Hello, my name's Fred Dengler, and I'm the co-founder of the MIKAL Corporation. This is the advanced inventory system in the MIKAL Salon and Spa software program. And I want to show you some really special features that we have. You know, a lot of software programs, a lot of software companies say that they can manage a salon's inventory. And what they can do is print a purchase order or maybe a shortage report on what you need to reorder and a cost report. But that isn't managing the inventory. When you have 200, 500, 1,000 stock keeping units or more, you've got to be changing the last cost. You've got to be changing the minimum amounts to suggest reorder. You've got to be doing a lot of different maintenance things. And to do it item by item is absolutely a nightmare. So we put a lot of programs in that will do these things for you. Also programs that will adjust product for you automatically based on your sales history. Programs that will let you mark up or down whole categories of products. I'm going to go in and show you these things. And to do that, here's our main screen. But I'm going to go into our administrative program because that's the under the hood part of the system where all of this is done, and bring up our inventory maintenance. Then we have something here called special options. If I push the special options button, you'll see a special inventory screen that lets you do a lot of different things. Inventory entry, as an example, lets you do order entry, receipt entry, physical count entry, really simple, fast screens where you can do just a quick order entry of a product without having to create a purchase order. You can also print adjustments so you can see what's been changed in your inventory. A lot of the problem is with inventory that you've got more than one person working on it, so sometimes it's just a matter of finding out who did what, when, and then figuring out why they did those things. Aside from the inventory entry, you've also got the ability to do item number transfers. Really nice thing. If you've got an item that a manufacturer gave you a barcode on, and then for some reason they decide to change the barcode, you can go into this one item here, make the change, and it will automatically then change it to the new barcode or the new item number that's on your packaging. And then it can also go in and change it in the customer file so that you're up to date on all the customers, and in the transaction history file, the buying history file. So this is a really nice program too. Instead of having to delete an item and punch the whole thing back in again, you just do a simple change. Special pricing entry. This allows you to bundle products together or shrink wrap products. Let me take a look at one of these. We've got one called a deep shampoo cleansing, and when you sell that, it's normally $30, and you can sell it for $22. It's going to also include a complete conditioner, bottle of complete conditioner. So just to show you how when you modify it, you can put in a range of dates. They only get the special price and the free conditioner during this range of dates. We have different types of shrink wraps that you can do, and we can get into that in our support. Give us a call. We'll tell you all the benefits of doing that different ways. And then what products do they get free, or do they get along with this item number 2100 when you sell it? The beauty of this is you put in a special. It's only good during the days and time, the days that you specify. It's only good at that price. It includes these items for free, up to 5 different items. And after it expires, it just all goes away. It's still in the system. You can reactivate it. But you don't have to think about it, put it in your calendar or reminders. Hey, we've got to take this off special, put that on special. You can set up all your specials literally once a year and then let the system just run itself. Fantastic way to sell products. One thing about shrink wrapping too, when you're putting 4 or 5 products together, always put one really popular product into the shrink wrap, and then the other product should be mildly popular to unpopular products, because what you want to do with shrink wrapping or bundling products is move the slow-moving merchandise along with something that's popular. Don't make a shrink wrap that's all your most popular products, because that kind of defeats the purpose. Why discount your most popular products? So you discount the slow movers that go along with the popular product. So let's say OK to that, and we'll get out of this. Package entry. This is where you can set up your packages. Your skincare packages, your massage packages. You can have pedicure and manicure packages. And just to give you an example of one of them here, I've got a massage package. And this is a 5-visit package. It's $300. Great deal. 5 visits for $300, about $60 each. It expires in 365 days. It automatically expires for you. And then here's the item that actually is credited to the service provider and goes into your sales analysis every time somebody comes in and redeems one of their visits. So it shows you what the normal price is, what the redeem price is. If you want, it can handle sales tax automatically within the package, or you can charge extra for the sales tax, whichever way you want to do it. So you can set up any kind of package that you want to set up in the system. Multiple services. You could have a day of beauty package in here. You could have a bridal package in here. You could have a package called an afternoon affair with 4 or 5 services. You could have a mini package. One of our larger spas has something called a mini day. And in the mini day, they've got a 30-minute massage. They've got a mini manicure. They've got a mini pedicure. They've got a facial, a 30-minute facial. And they sell it all for, they say that it's worth $475 at retail. They sell it for $99. It sells like crazy. The other thing is it also upgrades people like crazy into the larger days of beauty. Goes great for around the holidays, around Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, those types of things. So here's where you set up your packages. Then you've got transfer packages. If you need to move a package from one customer to another, you just simply put in the customer who it's moving from. You put in the package. You put in the new customer that it's moving to, and it'll automatically move that package to the other person. So that's really all you have to do to transfer a package from one person to the next. You've also got mass price changes. Mass price change saves you tons and tons of time. You could do a category, just category 21, let's say, is all of your nail polishes. And you could change it automatically to do a increase of 10% from your last price. So if all your prices went up in your one nail polish manufacturer's product line, you could automatically raise all the prices. You can also do automatic discounts. So if you want to put all your polishes or all your shampoos or all of any category or any range of items or any vendor on sale, you can discount it down and then you can raise it back up. If you want to eliminate a vendor, you can go into mass price changes, cut all of the product costs to 50% of regular price, and sell it out at your cost and get it out the door so you can make room for the products that are selling for you. Very fast way to do mass price changes. Gift certificates. Here is where you manage your gift certificates. Very easy thing to do. You've got your gift certificate in here. You've got a price. You can change the expire date, anything you want to do to build or expire a gift certificate. You can also go into the supervisor mode and manage your gift certificates for specific service providers, for specific customers. So if you've got a certificate number in here, you can bring up the certificate number, you can enter the customer, you could change or redeem the gift certificate amount. The thing that this is really good for is adding gift certificates when you first get going with the system. Or if you've got a gift certificate shopping cart where you get a list every day, hopefully every day, but every couple of days of a sale on the internet, you go in here and you add a gift certificate, you put it in, you put in the gift certificate number, the customer who bought it, or you can build them out, the item number, how much they got the gift certificate for, and then the sale date, the expiration date, and that will automatically put that gift certificate in for Donna Mills to come in and use. So that's your gift certificate entry. Auto min-max, another huge time saver. Big problem with products is some get more popular, some lose popularity. You've got things increasing in sales volume. You've got things decreasing. How in the world do you keep adjusting all your minimums and maximums to keep up with that so that you get the maximum number of turns and the most profitability out of your products? Most people don't. They set up their inventory, they set up their minimums, and then they just kind of go in and start fudging it when they print purchase orders based on looking at their shelves. Not a good way to do it. So the nice thing here is I can put in for a specific vendor, I could put in for a range of items or a product class, and then how often do I want to reorder this product? And let's say I want to reorder it every 2 weeks. The system will go in and take a look at what your sales history has been on every product in the categories that you picked here, and then tell you what the system thinks you should change your minimums to. If you like it, it will not only tell you, but it will also let you update your database right there. So right here, I'm not going to update the database. I'm just going to run the report. Let's go in here and take a look at it. And this shows for my products, here are my items. Here are the factored sales per week, the original minimum, what it thinks the new minimum should be, the economic order quantity. So if you look down here, a couple of these, we don't have enough sales analysis on yet. Our original minimum is 5. The system says we should only have 2 because we're only selling a little less than 1 per week. And the economic order quantity should be 1 at a time. And the original max was 6. So just by changing this, it would literally, over the next 2 or 3 sales cycles, free up cash of 2 to 3 products, $60, $80, $100. This can literally cut your inventory carrying cost by 25% if you use our automatic min-max system here. Let me go back into special products and take a look here. Gift card views and changes. Besides gift certificates, we also keep your gift cards here on file so that you can take a look at your gift cards. Here's a gift card sale to Donna Miller. It was a $1,000 gift card. She's redeemed $717.06. She has $282.94 still open. And then here's all of the transactions that happened with that gift card. You also, again, have a supervisor mode, just like gift certificates, to be able to go in and modify the gift card. What do you want to change about this gift card? Do you want to add something? Do you want to change something about it? Another huge time saver, mass inventory changes. It's going to give you a big warning here because this is a big deal. You put in your item number range or your product classes, and then you can go in automatically with the system and change the quantity on hand, set reorder quantities, change the vendor, change the commission percentage for those items, change your minimums or maximums, change if they're tax exempt or not. You can do any of those different things with the system automatically using this mass deletes inventory changes. And then tier pricing is a really neat deal where you can set up, I'll show you here one of them we have, is in this example, if you've got designer, master designer, associate designer, goddess of hair, whatever categories or whatever terms you have, you can go in here and set up special pricing. So in this case, for my master designers, I can go in and my normal price is $150, and I've got it up to $195 for my master designers. So I can set it up here and I don't have to go in and change it person by person. So if somebody goes from being an associate designer to a master, their prices will automatically change from the $150 to the $195 without you having to go into every person, every item, making those changes. So you see here in our special functions, you've got a tremendous number of options that you can use to really help manage your inventory easily and much more effectively than manhandling it through what most systems would have as a big maintenance screen like this where you're trying to make it all work. So that gives you a quick look at it. If you have any questions, give our support line a call, 513-528-5100. Or if you want to get on board with us and get your inventory under control, call our marketing number, 800-448-5420. And again, this is the MIKAL Corporation. I'm Fred Dengler, and thank you for your time.